Okay, let's see the detail of this smart contract managing the lottery. And if you can see the contract, the smart contract is defined as access control and the reentry guard. This is just to manage better the security of the smart contract. There are different roles as TB role and owner role. That means that the owner can do the main change in the administration of the smart contract, while TB role is just a role to start setup, for example, the change of the price of the ticket, the percentage of the payout, and so on. So let's see in details the variables. These variables, there is a Boolean one is used to stop and restart different round of the lottery. Then the payout means that the 77% will go in the price, and the remaining part will be the part of the money that will go to the team. And it's just the calculation of the total price and the team price during the round, that will start with 0 and will change during the process. Then this is the ticket price, that is $7, in this case is $7, because it is in USDT, that in this blockchain is on 6 decimal. The starting point is that the number of winners is 1, but it can be changed, and we'll see later. Okay, then the ticket are bought in USDT, that is a standard ERC20. The price share are defined based on the number of the winners. For example, if the winner is 1, the price shares will be 100%, and if the winner are 3, for example, the price share could be different. For example, 10%, 30%, 60%, and so on. It can be changed every round. Obviously, only the owner of the contract will change this kind of variables. Then it is a mapping to calculate for each address what is the remaining part of the unclaimed price. Eventually, you can win in different rounds, and this unclaimed price will be accumulated and always available till will be 0, the unclaimed price. Lottery data. For each lottery, we have different data that are stored, and there will be the history available for the users to see. So we have the sold ticket, the total price, the team price, the number of the ticket winners, the address winners, the list of the ticket, the ID, and especially this is very important because the random use value that is saved just to give more transparency to the lottery, in order that the people can calculate by themselves the real winners. Then participant. For each lottery ID, there will be an ID and a ticket for each participant. Then we have mapping to save the information about the participant address for each round for each lottery. This is a mapping to save the data of the lottery that will be available for the history. data about all lottery and so on. Then we have the array of the ticket. And then let's see other important things. The event will be available for each extraction when there is a buy, when there is a possibility to price, add the USDT to the price. So the owner also can decide to add additional price to the normal price of the lottery. Then there is the constructor. Constructor is used to define what are the role. Starting point is that the lottery is in pause, and then the possibility to start with the USDT address that is in the constructor, and the first is that the price share will be 100% because there will be just one winner. Then the modifier, only owner, only TB role. Okay. Then it's possible to set number of winners and the shares of the winners. That is this function. It's possible to add price. Obviously, only the owner can do that. Add price. So add price to the normal price. Then few function to see what is the situation of the participant ticket. So it is possible to see for each address how many tickets they bought. Very useful also for the dashboard that is specific for each wallet connected. Then it's possible to see the ticket for each participant based on a specific round, so lottery ID. A function to see all the historical data for the previous lottery. Information to see the winner of the actual lottery. Then there is a function for the starting lot to start the new round. So the different elements are initialized to 0. The ticket and so on. Very important is the function buy, where there will be an exchange of the USDT token transfer from the connected wallet to the address. Also, part is going to the payout and part is going to the payout team. And then the information are stored. Then it's possible to add more than one ticket, obviously. The problem is that if you buy more ticket, you will pay more fee for the blockchain because of the 4 cycle. Then very important, this is function that is called by the owner, that is the end of the weekly lottery, because the idea is that the lottery will be weekly. So there are some checks at the beginning, if there's a valid lottery, or if it's already ended, or eventually no winner defined. And will be paused, and there will be a draw. So the selection of the winners and the data means the address of the winners and the ticket winners. We'll see later what is the function draw. And then all the information are updated for this current lottery ID. Then the price will be divided by the winners based on the price share defined before. It is a 4 cycle. Let's see the drawn function. In the drawn function, the number of winners is a variable, and specifically, you can see the lucky winner is a random value used that is already decided in generate random, and we'll see later what is the generate random number. But the lucky ticket is selected calculating the module based on the sold ticket, and will change another random variable is linked to the number of winners. So generate random is just a function that is calculated internal to the blockchain, or a random number based on the block for the DAO, block timestamp, number of lottery participation, and the current lottery ID. In a future video, we will see also what can be the security vulnerability that is coming from this kind of strategy of use the function checkhack 256 and the use of the AB encoded pack. Okay, then there are other information to get data. And also there will be some function to withdraw eventually the USDT if there are something wrong in the smart contract that is blocked in some way. It's not possible to access. And then a withdraw specific for the team. Okay, then probably I don't remember if I'm missing something. Not, it's okay. So thank you.